These are my chickens. They're from siblings na sila, from one batch of eggs. Yung mother nila bulag yung isang mata. Pagkain nila is like feeds para sa manok. Number 2,500. Yung laki niya. Not too big, pero not for chicks na. Ito yung cat sleeping, si black orange. Ito naman si Brill Cream.